Welcome to the Gregg Software Optimization video. In this video we are going to show you the capabilities of the optimization program and how to lay out the various stone pieces onto slabs from your project. The optimization feature will obtain the job waste factor, how many slabs are needed for each material on the project, and how to cut the job in the most efficient manner. We use the Gregg Rock-It for Stone Fabricators program to measure and obtain the pieces required for the project. The plan page on the screen shows several of the countertops that were measured into the takeoff page of the Gregg estimating program for stone fabricators. Those items were measured and sent to the takeoff page of the pricing program. On the program bid summary page, you are looking at 9 materials that were measured on the project. 5 of the items were tile or other items that do not need to be optimized. The other 4 items are the stone slab materials to be optimized. Materials 5 and 6 list Rosa Venga countertops and splash. Materials 7 and 8 list absolute black countertops and splash. They are all 2 cm materials, so each color can be optimized together while being priced separately for the client. To start optimization, we will select Gregg Planet and select the optimization button at the top of Rock-It. The optimization screen is divided into 6 areas. In the top left box, the materials list appears from the pricing program showing the entire material list. The user is required to select what items are to be optimized. Under the group heading column, click on the material you want to select first. You can place characters or numbers to identify the different groups of materials. On this project, material 5 and 6, the Rosa Venga granite will be labeled Group A, and material 7 and 8, the absolute black granite, will be labeled Group B. Once the groups are created, you can select an item from that group, and the entire group will list in the box below, labeled Pieces. At the bottom of the piece box, the total piece count and the total piece area representing those pieces are listed. Each piece in the list of pieces has 2 checkbox options. First is a checkbox to include or not to include a piece in the optimization list. The second is a checkbox to select if a piece can be rotated or not rotated. If it has a vein, such as a marble, it might not work properly if rotated. The piece list shows each piece number and the size of the piece in inches from the pricing takeoff page. They are in red as an indication that there are no slabs listed in the slab list to optimize with. In the second column of boxes, the top box shows a slab with slab size changing capabilities, so you can set the size of each slab from your inventory. This slab is listed at 65 inches by 122 inches. You can send one slab at a time or groups of slabs of the same size. Once the first slab is sent to the slab inventory in the box below, the piece list on the left bottom box removes the red color and returns to the normal color. But the piece footage at the bottom and the slab footage in the bottom middle box both stay red. As each slab is selected, it is placed in the inventory box. While the total slab footage is equal or up to 30% above the piece footage, the totals are yellow. Once you add enough slabs to go over the piece total plus 30%, the color turns to a normal color. That does not mean that all the pieces will fit. Projects that cannot be rotated or have unusual sizes where only one piece fits on a slab can have waste factors of a larger percentage. Placing a couple of extra slabs is okay and will not be used if they are not needed. Anytime you may add slabs if needed to optimize. In the top right column, starting on the left side, we can see the blade width. We will change it to 1/4 inch. The next set of icons are the types of cutting you can use during optimize. The first icon is guillotine cutting, cutting from one outer edge until all the pieces are cut out. The second is nested or non-guillotine cutting, where a given rectangle can be extracted without supplementary cuttings. Cutting machines with CNC capabilities such as laser or water jet can perform non-guillotine cuttings. The third icon is multi-stage cutting. Only horizontal or vertical cuttings are performed in the first step, and only vertical or horizontal cuttings are performed in the second step, and so on until finished. The user can try each of these selections to obtain the best layout. To view optimization results, there are two options: Show All or Show Current Material. By selecting guillotine, the program will take the Group A pieces and place them on the slab needed in the box below the icon. And in the bottom box, a placement list appears. You can scroll through the slab list with the scroll bar or the new placed list in the bottom box to view the slabs. The items in yellow are waste, or non-used pieces. The totals at the bottom show the area placed or used, the waste or non-used footage, and a % waste factor to place into the pricing program. To do Group B, select one of the B items. Add some slabs and select the cutting method you would like to have. Let's scroll down and view this one. This particular job has been laid out showing used area of 155.88 feet, waste area of 62.32 feet, and a waste factor of 40%. When all the groups are done, the Show All Materials radio button can be selected to show the entire project together with the total proper waste factor. As you see, the average waste factor has become a 63.9% to obtain enough material money for this project out of the two material types. The Summary button on the top right will create an HTML file copy you can view, print, or save to disk what was accomplished, showing you the total used area, waste area, and a waste factor for both Group A and B slabs. For more on our programs, please watch the on-screen and Rock-It video. If you have any questions and would like more information, call our office at 713-854-4489. Thank you.